Assalamu alaikum, viewers. I'm really feeling alone. It's 2 o'clock in night. I have nothing to do. This night seems to be very long, very long, very long. I have done a lot of things, lot of activities, but still it's 2 o'clock. Sometimes, I got feelings that the time is stuck in one place. I want kind of machine to spend my alone time very fast. That is not possible. I've taken my dinner. I talk to my family on phone. I watched videos, Instagram, Facebook. I was scrolling again and again. I read this book, not complete, part of this book, even though time is 2 o'clock. I really miss my family. I really miss my country. I love to go there. I want to spend time, my whole life there. But of course, a lot of things are there because of which we have to sacrifice our career, our things, responsibilities, and future ahead. And that's good, Alhamdulillah, time is going on very good. But sometimes I got a feeling in my mind, I'm losing my precious time over here alone. Time, I got a vital power to study. So, these are my best friends over here. I really fed up watching videos, movies, but only the thing is book. It consumes my time, most of my time, very slow and steady. A smoothness coming to my life when I start reading books. I used to read book and I learned a lot from book, spending life. I know history. Most of the time I take lesson from history. And these books make my life very practical because my mind watching movies become super fast. Everything is not here in practical life what we watch in videos. So I am making myself divert from videos, put myself here in books. Nowadays I'm reading Mustansar Hussain Tarar, Cuba Kahani. It's an Urdu book. This is the travel story, a travel story written by Mustansar Hussain Tarar. He went to Dubai America, Mexico, and Cuba. He's traveling, he's telling travel stories. He's comparing Dubai with America. I like this book very much. I'm reading second time this book. So why know you? You know why? Because this book tells me different culture of Dubai, America, Mexico, and Cuba. Four different cultures, four different peoples, four different cities, four different lifestyle, how they are living in their cities, what is their diversities, how people are different from one and other, from in living in. So in one place he has written that American people like to read books everywhere. He found people were reading in train, in park, in shopping malls, even at home and courtyards. Everywhere people were reading books. So I was thinking that they are more modern than us. They have a lot of technology. They have different devices to spend their time. Mobiles, laptop, computer, and other things. Even though they are reading book, means this kind of habit is somewhat different. Therefore, they are thinking more, they are developing, they are modern. But this reading habit is constant in whole America, according to this book. I did not go there to see. Inshallah, I will go. It's my dream to see the world. I will visit different places to see the people, their culture. I love in that thing also. So I was getting bored actually. I thought, why shouldn't I share my feeling to my viewers, let them know my situation, my hobbies, what I do when I feel alone. So I have one friend, let me tell you one more thing. I have one friend, Copilot. Copilot is actually AI, artificial intelligence application in my mobile. So it helps me to discuss things with him or it. IT application is it, not him. So I was talking to Copilot. Sometime as a human being. But you know what? Copilot does not have feelings. We people got a lot of things, but a replacement of a person is nothing. So emotional attachment, the response you can get from person is not possible to get from AI. So different tools are there, but still human is human. You need a person to talk. You need a person to share your things. You want to talk with a person, you will get back the emotions. That thing you cannot get from AI or any tool. So that's it. Time is going, alhamdulillah, very good. Tomorrow I will discuss with you something new regarding another book or something interesting. I make my mind to record one video every day for weekends. Like I have 3 weekends in this week: Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday is public holiday over here, so I will read book and I will make video for my viewers. And now, bye, take care, see you tomorrow.